Olá, eu sou Renata Mundim, bióloga do Global Turf Network, e dando continuidade nos nossos vídeos de como jogar golfe, hoje eu estou visitando o Par Golfe, que é uma loja de artigos esportivos de golfe, que tem de tudo. Então nós vamos falar um pouquinho sobre os produtos essenciais para se jogar o golfe. Por isso eu conheci aqui o Dana. Hi Dana,
How
nice
you
to
doing?
meet
Nice to
you.
meet you too. Thank
Yeah,
you. Welcome
sure.
to Par Golf.
Thank you very much. Can you tell us a little bit about the store?
Absolutely. Par Golf is a family-owned and operated business. We've been here in Columbus for 30 years. In fact, we just celebrated our 30th anniversary, and I've been with the store for 27 years. So we've got a lot of experience here. We sell a lot of golf equipment, and we're always happy to see new players enter into the market. So
that's great. Yeah, I'm a new player. I'm
Okay.
learning. So I'd like you to start explaining a little bit about the golf clubs.
Okay, be happy to. We're standing here in the ladies section, so this is a perfect place to be. One of the things that we find in golf equipment today is that in the women's market particularly, the package sets are very popular. Now, package sets meaning that everything is inclusive. The golf bag, drivers, fairway woods, irons, everything that you need to really get started to play golf are purchased together in one package. The men's side of the market is a little different. They'll buy separate irons, separate woods, but we find that about 85% of the market today for women is in the package sets. And there's a wide range of pricing.
We
and
don't like
availability.
complicated things.
Yeah, exactly. We try to make it as simple as we can.
Yeah.
We think that one of the best sets that serves the purpose of the beginning golfer is this set right here from Tiger Shark. Now, Tiger Shark is a company that's been in the golf industry for well over 30 years. A very recognized name here in the United States. They do a wonderful job at what we think is a very, very good price point. This particular set, the Lady Shark, sells for $299, and it's inclusive. It's everything. You have a driver, 2 fairway woods, a hybrid. We'll talk about that a little bit in depth, and then all the irons, putter, and a golf bag. So everything that you need.
Oh, so the golf bag comes together.
The golf bag comes with the set. So everything really that you need, short of some of the accessories, whether it be a golf glove or whether it's golf shoes, and we'll talk a little bit about that as we go on. But this is the equipment that will get you started. One of the things that, one of the things in golf club sales that's become very, very important is the fitting of golf clubs. Fitting of golf clubs means taking the golf club and getting the proper length, the proper flex for the person that's playing golf, and the height and so forth, the physical build of the person. Now, ladies are a little bit easier to fit for women than men, particularly if you're beginning, because again, until your game gets to a level of sophistication, you're just going to be happy to get the ball and go that way with it. So it's a little easier fitting. One of the things you're going to notice, that's a very big-headed golf club. Golf clubs today are very big, but yet very, very light.
Yeah, it's really light.
It's very light. Now what this is the driver, and this is typically going to be the first club, and I know you're brand new to the game, so I'm going to kind of touch on some basics.
Yes, please.
This is the driver, and this is going to be the club that you typically are going to hit from the teeing area out into the fairway. This will be your club you use on the first shot.
The first shot.
Yeah. For women, the loft of the golf club is such that it helps get the ball in the air a little easier, which helps maintain some distance and get some distance. As we mentioned earlier, very, very lightweight.
Very light.
Yeah, this is a graphite shaft, which is today, because of the lightness of the titanium heads, which is what this is made of, you have a very, very lightweight shaft to go with that lightweight club head. That's all designed to do one thing: help you move the golf club faster through the air, hit the golf ball, make it go further. Okay.
I see.
So, for a person your height, are you 5'7", 5'8"?
Yes.
Okay. This should be perfect. One of the problems we run into with some women who are a little bit shorter, the golf club gets very, very long and a little hard to wield. But for a taller player like yourself, this is going to be a perfect length. This is a standard length for ladies, okay? And standard length will fit generally women from about 5'4" up to about 5'9". So you're kind of right there in the middle.
And in the case that the person is not as tall as I am, are there some specific ones for them?
Yeah, what we can do, if we get a lady, or for that matter, if we're talking on the men's side of the house, we can make the golf club shorter or longer to fit the individual. So if you were, let's say, 5'2", this golf club would probably be way too long. We actually have the ability to remove the grip, shorten the shaft, put the grip back on to fit you better. Same thing if you were to be taller, we can make the golf club taller, or maybe even start talking about putting you into a men's club, because men's clubs are a little bit longer to start with. But I think as a beginning player, the shaft flex, which is a ladies shaft flex, is going to be designed for your slower club speed because, let's face it, as a new player,
Yes.
you're not going to be real high club speed. So that's going to be an ideal club length and flex for you to get started.
Okay,
Okay.
I see. Mhm.